When it comes to communicating with people from other cultures, communities, and organizations around the globe, language barrier remains a challenge. 80% of the people speak only one language, which interferes greatly with the accurate communication of messages. Introducing Use, a new AI-based translator for calls that unites people who want to talk to each other but don't speak the same language. Thanks to the built-in translator, interlocutors can now chat in their native languages and get instant transcriptions in text message format. It's completely secure as the data is used only in real time and irretrievably deleted at the end of each meeting. Using Use is easy. Once you sign up, just create a meeting, share the link, and you're good to start the conversation. Effective communication is the basis of any great relationship. Use not only improves comprehension, it also eliminates confusion and boosts your confidence when communicating across cultures. Try it now for free. Use unites people.